In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post in a Skool group community. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Skool, understanding how to effectively post in your community can help you engage with others and share valuable content seamlessly. So, let's get started. Firstly, you need to log into your Skool account. This is the gateway to your community, where all your interactions will take place. Once you're logged in, locate the community where you want to make your post. This could be a group you're already a part of, or perhaps one you've just joined or even manage. Accessing the specific community ensures that your message is delivered to the right audience. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Community tab. This tab acts like the central hub of all posts and discussions within that group, allowing you to see what others have shared and engage with their content. At the top of this feed, you'll find a box labeled Write Something. Think of this as your canvas for communication. Click on this box and begin crafting your post. The first thing to do is enter a clear and engaging title. Think of it like a headline. It's the first thing people will see, so make it compelling enough to capture attention and give an idea of what your post is about. Once you've settled on a title, move on to writing your message in the content area. Here, clarity and relevance are key. Make sure your words are concise, yet informative, providing value to those who take the time to read them. If you wish to enhance your post further, you have the option to add media. This could be images to provide visual context, videos to explain concepts better, or even files and documents for sharing detailed information. Links can be added to guide your audience to additional resources, while GIFs can bring some fun and engagement. You can also create polls to gather opinions or feedback from the community. After you're satisfied with your post, the next step is to choose the appropriate category for it. Categories help in organizing content and making it easier for others to find posts relevant to them. Selecting the correct category ensures your contribution is properly situated within the broader conversation. Now, if you're an admin in this community, you have an important decision to make, whether to send your post to all members by email. This is a powerful feature recommended only for critical announcements, as it ensures everyone gets notified directly in their inbox. Finally, to make your post live, click the Post button. Once you do this, your post will immediately appear in the community feed for others to see, interact with, and respond to. With these steps, you're now ready to share your thoughts and contributions effectively within your Skool community. Thank you for watching and happy posting.